What's up, guys?
Yeah, we're gonna eat air, guys. See? We're gonna eat air. Where? Asa man ta? Oh, sige.
Charles Joseph.
Asa man sila motoryo?
Dili mo, dili la linya eh. Ana diri ba?
Aw, linya ra sa tunga.
Dili ako.
Linya ra pa diri oh.
Ah, okay. I see it now. We're gonna be fine. So fine. Ain't no doubt about it. Shut up. Asang Peter, ma'am?
Okay na ito kay walk man eh. So, okay ra sa dili. Section ninyo yung kauban.
Ah, sige, sige, sige. So, mag-anak na ko. Okay raw, walay ang Peter.
Pila ka ba mo?
Hey, what's up, hi? No. Yeah.
666. Paris.
Hipster monkey here.
Melons. Nah, bro. Uy, Peter.
Isugan ako muda laka oy.
Aura? Dili mamagulingan.
Kailangan tulo, ma'am? Ma'am, kailangan tulo? Okay, kitang tulo. Ala, likod pa dyan niya. Guys, magkano. That's right there. Anis, YouTube na. Oh, Samantha. Uy, Chan. Dan. Hey. Ah. Help, guys. Guys, help. What?
Pwede raw po, pwede lima. Pwede
Ay.
lima, pwede
Ano sa? Sawak.
Kita dyan mo.
Hindi pwede ito.
Kita gali.
Pwede na tulo?
Five, pwede ito.
Pwede tulo?
Four na lagi ang limit. Taas na.
Saka,
How you hump a person is you hump them. You just put your hands on their crotch and don't hump them.
Brother.
Si Brian,
And then
Gotta be right back, guys. Lucky. Yeah, guys.
pati sa meto ito upan diri man. Jerry.
Samantha Jetty.
Yeah, I know. Backward.
What do you expect
Backward.
that I'm doing, bro?
Backward even more.
Fucking. Because
Backward.
it takes so much space, you big necks.
What? have shades.
No.
He
I have a bow tie. Nice one. You have a. It's not bow tie. It's a tie.
Move dito, move.
Oh, it's a tie.
Hi, Sean.
Opo.
Sab-sab.
About to go.
What? What? Unsay po? Yung mother.
Remember? Kung nag-isa yung wallet there, mag-walk mo.
Tulo man kabo. Kaming tulos.
Upat, kulang ko sa.
Ah, so kitang upat. Kitang upat. Kitang upat, guys. As for
Oh, saan na siya?
Ala, hasa mo ka pumili ako. Dire.
Ano? Ano yung tawagan ng buwan ba? Kinsay ka ba mo sa table? Ito na ibangko ni kong tapat na. Ay, ka ba mo sa table na?
We're very good here. I don't think so. Yes, a good. Look at me.
Pagkakit mo siya din, Jim.
Huge gut.
Nalito siya din.
they are stupid. They are stupid.
Yeah, he's very like that. Like that. He does not do.
Namay net, oh. Uy, ay mo giyan. Ayaw giyan, guys.
Alam mo, let's go.
No, I did not say that.
That said, there's someone said belly.
I'ma kill that son of a gun.
You already know who is it. Gender is.
Yeah.
Look, where's your shade?
That is his shade.
That's Cedric.
Yeah, I know.
He is a bodyguard of mine. So you guys only protect yourselves.
No, this is our VIP.
No, this is
No, this is mine. No, this is mine. Mine.
We're gonna rip the skeleton.
You're going to rip
You both are going to rip out my neck. You guys are going to.
This is mine. This is mine. No, this is mine. It's mine. Okay, stop.
This is my
That is my bodyguard.
Bro, can't you do that shit?
Bodyguard's tired. Let me get him a drink.
No, let me get him a drink. No, Okay, stop.
Why not fight for a woman? No.
No.
Because women are crazy.
Yeah.
True. There's even one crazy woman here.
Yeah, in front of me.
No, like actually crazy, like very scary.
Don't tell me say.
There's also like one very scary woman in our
Who?
classroom.
Oh.
You really don't know how scary.
Oh,
You never tell us.
John Burr knows how
Who is
scary
it,
is
Doctor?
having a woman at.
She even have a slave.
Who?
Poor Burn.
Having a crazy woman as an owner.
Who?
Aliyah.
Oh.
Don't tell her. Or I'm doomed.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, Lunar said VIP couples.
What?
No, I will predict this guy.
May bakuan ka ng the next episode.
Imagine who just does this. Also touch my hair, it's very hard. Every hole.
Magkano mo matanong?
Oh, klaro na yun.
Hey, yo!
Ha?
Sorry, you said do it to
Russian rolls. What the fuck?
Nine,
What the
eight,
girl?
7,
Go.
6,
Luis.
5,
Luis.
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys!
Ang pari sa kotlo.
Excited ka dyan, Ronin.
Nope, kaya ka video man ko.
Excited for them.
It's called the flamingo.
Dami ko jusita. Dami yung sita.
Saan signal?
I'm also built like that.
So kita ko sa kong reflection sa reflection nako. Be good. How is he a bodyguard when he looks like a gentleman and you look like a bodyguard?
Yeah. You're iconic.
He also gave me like 200 Robux.
Hey, pareho lang tayo 200.
But with taxes kay please donate.
Ay, dito mo na ikuan.
Let's go to Mamu Christine.
O dito.
More Robux.
How much?
donate you.
Wait, you gave me 200 now. How much you gonna give me?
Yeah,
$1.
Also, he made me like buy something. I'm going to buy cause like avatars because of you. I quit
Like,
Madaway lang nakaw, Sean. After I buy avatar, I'm gonna steal something. What are you gonna steal?
Wait,
one of the
Cedric.
moon melons and the gold.
What? Too cheap. That's too small.
What?
I prefer something trillions.
What is it?
Like a fruit, something trillions. I might just keep like.
How much Robux?
Don't blossom.
I'm just going to keep like. I'm just
Wait.
gonna keep like one
Cedric,
rejoining servers to server.
you gave me 200 Robux like in the classroom. Like, ito.
You friends. Oh my god. Stop it. That's Jopens and I'm John Boy.
I think ang alot ba? Ang alot ninyo, parihaman mo.
Sometimes I switch names. Why am I? You both switch. Alright. Yeah, I switch names. I am now Joe Franz.
Jover, Vilelion.
Jover.
Jover.
Hey, dude. You usually sometimes get up girls when you do like this.
What?
Like this. Like this when you go.
I literally see your reflection. What about you?
Wait, Cedric, how much Robux do you give me in the classroom?
Time to do a ninjutsu. Mother chucker.
Let's see what fruit they're gonna
The
have.
ninjutsu on Janber.
Cedric, how much Robux do you give me? Cedric,
Team up.
What about the front instead?
I go front.
The woman is the shield. The woman is the shield. The woman is the shield. Also, he said watermelon is inside.
I did not. I said the other word.
I said apple, not watermelon. That's it.
don't even try to get the punch. Oh yeah, lucky one. Run out.
My pack one ran out.
Wait, Cedric, how much Robux do you give me by the way?
Come here. Yeah. Wait,
Ana, why did you not log out your
Roblox.
Roblox
they,
account?
they fucking said it would do it automatically.
It was a lie so they can steal it.
You're gonna post that on YouTube? Yeah.
Wait, does that mean like
Take
somewhere in
3.
Kihongan? We live somewhere.
Starting and counting starts in 10,
9,
8,
7, 6,
6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Stay with here. Stay with us.
Hey, that's
So you want to team with them?
You betray.
That's just
Team, the 4 of us.
also it's pretty hot here.
yeah.
I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
No, it's like very hot.
It's hot.
The temperature is hot.
No, No.
This is a
No,
dumb.
you should say like this. Like everything here is like a heater. I'm not gay. Do not say it's hot out there.
It's hot.
That's what sexual women say. Say something like it's hot.
Bro, you're sweating now, friend. Cedric, how much Robux did you gain me, by the way? Like in the classroom, 200.
Not yet. I'll go get more. Since everybody asked for Robux, everybody knows that gender is no.
We're going to do a competition for Robux. 20.
20 Robux. 25.
Yeah, 25 Robux.
Bro.
That's the competition.
That's.
Kumunga ng music? You're doing that.
Huh? I said nothing. You're the stupid one.
Do the moonwalk. Do a moonwalk.
Because everyone that doesn't know what I'm doing.
10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Huh?
I need a loan.
You didn't hear it, Jen.
Me need loan. I need money, bro. I'm broke. I can't afford money. Me, L, O. Summary. Melbourne. Milk.
Percent na
Milk.
utang.
Hoy! Go to the line, dingus!
If they say hippo or noise, I'm gonna kill them.
$10 on Diddy's in his house. Jungle loves black.
Good morning, Franciscans. Welcome to the St. Francis College Gihongan Junior High School Department's Acquaintance Party 125 with the theme Old Money, Grace and Generations. I am James Ibanguinin, your Supreme Student Government President, and I am with... And we are your hosts for today.
He did not say hippo, he said gay porn.
Yeah, I know.
Teachers and special guests. We're excited to celebrate.
Sigot na yung kalungter.
And to kick off our program, let us give a big round of applause to our talented students who will be showcasing their impressive walk, luxurious attires, and compatible aura.
Starting from our Supreme Student Government Officer School Year 2025 to 2026. A big round of
Alright guys, I'm gonna pause this. We're almost ready to do the walk. Are you ready, Sean?